prime example, it looked kind of dry when we got out here. Now the sun just came out. Oh, I can't show you. It's beaming now. So just keep on going. In due time, everything will work out. Sky is getting blue. What's up, y'all? I don't even know if I got enough footage on this phone. I have to do some storage cleaning. Coming in to say, hey, how are you? I just want to let y'all know I am coming back. I can't believe it's been 3 months that I've been on YouTube, honey. I've still been doing this here. Okay, trying to survive this humidity, trying to survive my thinning. And I've been getting into all kind of stuff. I have so many videos to share about, you know, me making my summertime shea butter, me trying different makeups this year that are way less expensive than what I normally wear, me doing all kind of stuff that I have to catch up on videos. So I'll be seeing you soon. I just want to stop in and say, what's up? How y'all doing? It's been me putting flowers out, home chores, all kind of stuff, working on a book. But I am still doing my hair, and I want to make sure I'm sharing it. Some stuff I've captured, some stuff I forgot to capture. I literally just turned on this phone today just because I'm like, man, how did 3 months go by? Last time I saw you, I was using Canvas Beauty with my As I Am co-wash. I still am co-washing, but recently I did a little bit of a shampoo and a conditioner just to go back to my little shampoo and conditioner. And I ain't gonna lie, it reminded me why I love co-washing, because I did the co-wash first and something said, let me put a little shampoo on. Let me go back to my Giovanni and put the shampoo, and immediately I saw my ends start to act a fool because they need to be trimmed. But with the co-wash, not a problem. So it's just been little stuff like that that I've been getting into, like trying to make sure I have the right system. And I'll be honest, the co-washing with the As I Am has been perfect for me. I haven't been having itchy scalp. I did go back to some shampoo and conditioner a week ago just to give it a, you know, give my scalp that good clean. I've been doing, moisture has been great for me because I've been going back to certain products, using certain tactics. I'm going to talk about all that. More videos are coming. The direction of this channel really will be more like journaling, because that's really why I'm doing it, because I feel like, hey, I'm doing my hair anyway, so why not share it? We all go through struggles. We all have challenges. No matter how much you know about hair, putting things in practice is a whole different animal. Okay, you can know a lot, that don't mean you are going to do it. For one, it doesn't mean that when you do it, it's going to work. Have been really focusing on moisture, and then also my nutrition, because one thing about me, when my hair starts thinning, it's a red flag that there's a deficiency in my body. So I've been taking some extra supplements that I feel have been helping me with energy. My nails have been growing, honey. Don't judge me if they're not perfect, but they have been just growing. So taking these additional supplements have been helping me with my energy, my nails, and I do see my thinning finally growing back, because for a while I haven't really touched on the thinning part of my hair, which I'm hiding right now, okay? And that's a whole nother thing, how I've been wearing my hair to get through the summer with a thinning patch that's regrowing in my hair. That stuff is coming, but I was noticing it wasn't growing back as quickly as it did when my hair thinned before, because I want to say my hair started thinning in January, but that's the beauty of videos. I'm gonna go back and figure it out. And I just felt like it was not growing really quickly, so I knew something was still missing. That's a whole nother topic. But like I said, I got videos about me making my shea butter. I've gone to certain events to buy some more shea butter. Like I just went to the Juneteenth, got my shea butter. So I gotta go mix again, because I do like to whip it, because I think shea butter can be very challenging to deal with my hair, but when I whip it, it's a lot better. So like I said, I'm gonna come back, finish off my Canvas Beauty As I Am experience that I'm working on. I've been working on that video for a while. That's why I tend to go live, because when I gotta edit, it just slows me down. I had to get back into the flow. I still love live videos. That's how I was able to keep up, because sometimes you need to just jump in. Okay, but I'll be back. I'll be coming seeing you very soon, and trying to get better with uploading my videos because I have so much content that I'm almost falling behind. But look forward to more of me talking about my moisture routine, my wash routine, my styling, hair accessories I'm loving, how my thinning information. Like I said, the thinning I haven't talked too much about because I wanted to at least get my hair growing back in a successful way before I started talking about what I'm doing. Okay, because it's a little different than what I did before. Even though I'm doing a lot of the same stuff, like using castor oil, tea tree oil on my scalp, I'm also adding supplements that I did not add before that I feel are helping to boost and push it along. Okay, um, and then of course the hairstyling is a whole nother topic because when you have a thinning patch, you got to know what you're doing. You got to have some special hairstyling, but not only that, you have to really know how to moisturize your hair so that it doesn't look horrible, because thinning hair can look really bad. So you have to give it a little extra love. And as you can see, if I didn't tell you my hair was thinning, you probably wouldn't even have known. Okay, so those little tricks I plan to share with you. And what else did I say? Like I said, I've been out in nature a lot. I've been getting some clips. Not much, because like I said, I'm trying to get back into the swing of things, but I have been capturing a little bit of nature. I want to talk about this new makeup I'm using. I transitioned trying to save money, and I actually went through a process of finding decent makeup, and I want to share that too. And I've been using it for the summer, using it while I'm home, and honey, it's so less expensive than what I used to pay. What else have I been doing? I've been buying hair accessories. I've been buying hair products, bringing back old hair products. Can't wait to share it. I hope you guys are doing well. You'll be seeing me soon, and hopefully more consistently. Okay, talk to you soon. Happy hairstyling. Bye. Remember to keep on shining no matter what life brings you. Get out, have some fun, put a hold on them chores, and just do something out the ordinary. Go get some sunshine. Get out in nature, out at the beach, in the park.